You're using English that is correct, but still sounds wrong. Some phrases make you sound repetitive, some make you sound rude, and natives notice it instantly. Let's fix your real spoken English fast. Before we start, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Now, let's go. The repetition problem. If every opinion starts with, I think, your English starts sounding flat. Let's upgrade that. Here are better options. 1. I'd say.
I'd say this is the best option.
Confident. 2. I guess.
I guess we can try again tomorrow.
Casual. 3. I believe.
I believe this is the right decision.
Stronger. 4. I suppose.
I suppose we could start now.
Softer. 5. The way I see it.
The way I see it, we need more time.
More expressive. Same idea, better vocabulary, stronger impression. See the difference. I think this is a problem.
The way I see it, this is a problem.
One sounds basic, one sounds natural. The rudeness trap. If you don't understand something and you say, "What?" That sounds rude in English, not because of grammar, but because of tone. Here's what to say instead.
Sorry?
Safest, most natural.
Come again?
Casual, friendly.
I didn't quite catch that.
More polite.
Could you say that again?
Perfect for work.
Sorry, what was that?
Soft and natural. Same effort, 10 times more polite. Now imagine this situation. Someone says, the meeting has been postponed. You say, what? Sorry, what was that? Same message, very different vibe. We just covered multiple upgrades. If you can't remember all of them, watch this again. That's how these become automatic. Like the video, subscribe for more, and keep upgrading your English.